Hello, good morning. Chris Drigopoulos. I'm from Greece. I'm the global sales executive from Ferryl Sales Limited. Ferryl is a Swedish company since 1955. Our core business is the wire rope maintenance, and our main sector is the marine industry, but we are attending Liftex in order to expand our services and our products on this section as well. For us, it will be an advantage if we can expand and show the people that we have special solutions. It's the first time that we are here, so now we are tested on this area.
How's it going so far?
Many visitors, they are impressed with our products, so we have to wait their feedback.
And what are you looking forward to in 2024?
To expand our business, for sure.